Good morning to all my students. This is Mr. J coming at you with a little bit of an announcement update. I kind of like making the videos, guys, so I think that's how we're going to continue to do this. Listen, we are at the end of the first 8 weeks. You should be getting progress reports in your email fairly soon. All right, a lot of you guys are doing really, really well. You have my congratulations. Award day was today. Some of you guys have not done quite so well. But I want you to know there's time. You have 8 weeks before the semester. You have time to get yourself ready to go. You have time to take care of things. Get your past due assignments done. Every teacher's got help sessions. And if you take these help sessions and get to work, it's going to help. If you participate in class, it's going to help. Ladies and gentlemen, what I've got to tell you is this. Please get your assignments done. Don't kill yourself. Don't feel you have to get all overdue assignments done in one day. But do 2 to 3 extra assignments per week. It will get you caught up. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot stress this enough. You have got to get the overdue work done. You have got to get in there and get your grades done. Remember, you have 3 attempts on every quiz. Graded assignments, if you don't like the grade you got on it, redo it. I don't know a teacher in here who will not accept a redone assignment. And if you need to redo a test, contact that teacher and talk to them. Convince them you need to redo the test. You take care of all this, folks, and you will get your grades up to an acceptable level. You will pass this course, and you will be advanced to the next one. Ladies and gentlemen, the teachers here want to help you. We want to help you because you are the next generation. You will eventually be the generation of the leaders of this country, and we want you to be the best educated people we can put into those positions. If you have any questions, please call me or email me. My information is in the contact teacher in the class link. Everybody have a great day, and everybody enjoy the weekend. And I will talk to you all very, very soon. Mr. Jekyll out.